Welcome to the heart of the mountains, where a colossal white marble quarry stands tall, awaiting the touch of engineering brilliance to unveil its hidden secrets. Huge industrial trucks traverse the rugged terrain, their tires kicking up clouds of white dust as they navigate this labyrinth of ancient stone and modern machinery. The process begins with the diamond wire saw, a relentless tool that bites into the solid white felt, slicing through millions of years of geological history. A cinematic veil of white mist and stone dust rises, creating an ethereal atmosphere as technology and nature collide in this grand industrial theater of extraction. In a display of sheer power, a massive 30-ton block of pure marble is finally liberated from the mountainside, tilting slowly before its dramatic descent. The earth trembles as the giant block impacts a prepared bed of sand, safely landing to begin its journey from a raw mountain fragment to luxury. Powerful loaders take over the task, hoisting these heavy monoliths onto transport trucks destined for the mega factory where their true beauty will be meticulously revealed. Inside the mega factory, an industrial symphony awaits. Here, the raw blocks enter a world of precision engineering and massive machinery designed for high-scale marble production. Behold the gang saw, a mechanical beast equipped with 80 parallel diamond blades that move in a hypnotic, rhythmic dance to slice the stone into uniform slabs. High-pressure water jets spray continuously, cooling the diamond teeth and washing away the slurry, ensuring the blades stay sharp while slicing through the dense marble heart. The resulting suit of water and stone creates a cinematic mist, reflecting the factory lights as the blades grind deeper into the massive marble block's core. For specialized cuts, the single diamond wire machine provides surgical precision, descending slowly to create perfect vertical slices from even the most challenging stone blocks. Each bead on this wire is impregnated with industrial diamonds, the only material tough enough to endure the friction required to conquer these ancient mountain stones. The saw completes its path, revealing a perfectly flat, raw surface that hints at the intricate natural patterns hidden deep within the mountain's cold, white embrace. Slabs weighing several tons are moved effortlessly by heavy-duty steel rollers, gliding through the production line with mechanical grace toward the next stage of transformation. The entire floor vibrates with the power of dozens of machines working in unison, a testament to the scale of this modern industrial marble processing facility. Welcome to the digital frontier of stonework. Here, advanced 5-axis robotic arms and computer-controlled systems take over to perform tasks of incredible complexity and detail. The robotic arm moves with fluid grace, rotating on 5 axes to reach every angle, ensuring that even the most complex designs are executed with absolute perfection. With the strength of diamonds and the precision of software, the drill bit carves intricate 3-dimensional patterns, turning a flat stone slab into a sculpted masterpiece. A constant stream of water washes over the work area, revealing the carved details instantly as the machine precisely removes material to follow the digital blueprint. As the surface is peeled back, the unique natural veins of the marble emerge, contrasting beautifully with the artificial precision of the machine's calculated carving paths. Using nothing but water and abrasive sand, the water jet cutter slices through marble like butter, allowing for the creation of perfect circles and complex interlocking shapes. The focused power of the water jet is immense, cutting with a tolerance of less than a millimeter, making it indispensable for high-end architectural and decorative elements. After cutting, the pieces are carefully laid out on the floor, allowing technicians to verify that the natural patterns flow seamlessly across the entire architectural assembly. This marriage of ancient stone and futuristic robotics ensures that every project, no matter how large, meets the highest standards of accuracy and artistic vision possible. The slabs now enter the polishing line, where a series of rotating heads will transform the dull, raw surface into a brilliant, mirror-like finish through friction. Each head uses progressively finer grits, grinding away imperfections and smoothing the surface until it becomes as soft to the touch as silk but hard as rock. Watch as the texture evolves from a rough, matte finish to a soft glow. This process brings out the deep colors and intricate details of the stone. Water acts as both a lubricant and a cleanser, whisking away the fine particles produced during polishing to keep the surface pristine and the tools working efficiently. The transformation is nearly complete as the factory lights begin to reflect perfectly on the surface, signifying that the marble has reached its ultimate level of shine. A true mirror finish is achieved, where the white marble reflects its surroundings with crystal clarity, turning a piece of earth into a luxurious piece of art. To ensure durability, a specialized epoxy resin is applied. This liquid shield penetrates the tiny natural pores of the stone, strengthening its structure and enhancing its longevity. The resin fills every micro crack and natural void, creating a perfectly uniform surface that is resistant to stains and wear, while preserving the stone's authentic natural look. Finally, the slabs pass through an infrared drying oven, where the heat cures the resin, locking in the beauty and preparing the stone for the final manual touch. Despite the advanced technology, the human touch remains irreplaceable. In the heart of the workshop, Pakistani artisans bring decades of tradition to the final finishing process. With a hammer and chisel, the artisan meticulously refines the sharp corners and delicate edges that even the most advanced machines cannot reach with absolute perfection. The rhythmic tapping of metal on stone is the heartbeat of this workshop, a sound that has echoed through generations of marble craftsmen in the region. These weathered hands tell a story of dedication, covered in the fine white dust of their craft, shaping the future of architectural luxury one strike at a time. Wet sanding by hand ensures a seamless transition between surfaces, creating a tactile quality that invites the touch and showcases the true elegance of the marble. Under the critical eye of the master craftsman, every angle is inspected for flatness and precision, ensuring that the final product meets the most rigorous quality standards. With a final wipe of a soft cloth, the dust is cleared away to reveal the flawless, glowing surface of a masterpiece that is now ready for the world. The pride of the artisan is evident in every detail. Their soul and skill are embedded in the stone, bridging the gap between raw nature and human art. The journey ends in the grand showroom, where these massive slabs stand like monoliths of luxury, ready to transform the most prestigious buildings across the entire globe. Each slab is a unique piece of Earth's art, featuring gray and gold veins that catch the light, promising an unmatched aesthetic for any interior space it inhabits. Powerful overhead cranes with specialized suction systems handle these precious slabs with extreme care, preparing them for the final stages of packaging and global shipping. Each piece is carefully lowered into a custom-built wooden crate, cushioned by foam to ensure that its journey to the customer is as safe as it is smooth. Pneumatic tools secure the export crates, building a fortress around the stone to protect it during its long voyage across oceans and continents to its destination. With the final quality seal and shipping label applied, these products are certified and ready to grace the floors and walls of the world's most luxurious homes. The trucks depart, carrying the legacy of the mountain and the skill of the factory workers out into the world, connecting the quarry to global architecture. As the sun sets over the white cliffs, the cycle of creation continues, turning ancient mountains into timeless masterpieces for generations to come. Thank you for watching.